Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Nissan Juke and I will show you how to replace the front turn signal light bulbs. This video should apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now luckily it's very easy to replace these light bulbs. You don't need any tools or anything, you can use your fingers. Now first I will show you here. I'll be replacing the passenger side. Now the turn signal light socket, it's right here and you don't have to disconnect it here. All you have to do, you have to turn this socket counterclockwise. So I will try to turn on the flash on my phone. Hopefully you'll be able to see it better what I'm doing. So I'll just turn this counterclockwise, right? Okay, there we go. And here is the light bulb. So no tools necessary. Okay, and once you have the socket with the bulb out, actually to remove the bulb you have to also turn it counterclockwise and then pull out. So just turn it to unlock it and now pull out. That's it. In the description of the video I will also post the type of bulb you need. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.